What if the world's borders were drawn by nature, not politics? Imagine rivers, mountains, and forests defining our countries instead of lines on a map. No more conflicts over territory, just harmony with the environment. Each nation would celebrate its unique ecosystems, fostering global cooperation. We'd protect our planet together, not just our borders. Nature would unite us, creating a world where diversity thrives. What if we embraced this vision? Let's dream of a future where nature leads the way.